This solid 2007 Ford F-150 is equipped with a responsive 5.4-liter V8 engine, reliable automatic transmission, has four-wheel drive, and has only 27,739 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include a stereo system with an AM/FM radio and a 4-speaker sound system. PAUSE equals 2000. For your comfort, this truck has a passenger vanity mirror and air conditioning. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Call or come by today to schedule a test drive. PAUSE equals 4000.
Bergstrom Chevy Cadillac of Appleton is located at 2245 West College Avenue, right next to the viaduct in Appleton. This vehicle won't be here long, so call our professional sales staff today to schedule an appointment.